we have issues where data might come in the in inappropriate format. So there could be a lot of back and forth dealing with brokers and talking about the data. Something could be missing in the data. Sometimes it's structured. Sometimes, Wendy, it comes in unstructured format. You know, which means that a human on our side is going to have to work with that. And then, you know, there's just a lot of that traditional back and forth that used to be done by phone or by other means. Just because we're in a digital format and things can come via email or other forms, the problem is that it's so overwhelming, right? All of that data and trying to manage it all, manage the communication so we don't have any E&O problems and we can service them correctly, but also just managing all of that data. It's just, it's kind of overwhelming in trying to deal with it all.
You have the system in your environment, and so you're trying to figure out how to extend those systems to manage the structured and unstructured data and deal with all of the collection and the conversation going back and forth, right?
Because we have systems in place, but sometimes, you know, sometimes they don't talk to each other very well. So there's still a lot of human intervention, and a lot of times we scratch our heads like, do we try to find an all-encompassing system, or are the systems we have okay and we just need something that can kind of bridge between the two? And you know, there's so many different opinions about what could be done. It's kind of paralyzing.
Right, and lots of duplicate entry as well, I'm sure, right? So, and this is where this whole modern architecture of microservices comes in, Nick, because what you can do is keep your existing environment and use the components that will help you either extend your systems to your distribution, ingest the data in a structured or unstructured format, and then send the data amongst all of the different pieces in your environment so that the data streams are clean, that you have consistency across the board. And then obviously when you get audited and whatnot, you know, you have, when you pull your data out of your system, everything looks consistent, which is very important. So, so that's why we focus on microservices, because we know that you can save your existing environment and extend it.